right here and watch you jump right there. See ya.
I'm ready.
Let's do it.
At least try to jump
There might be a
hard.
prize in it. There
Olivia,
might be a
I'm
prize if
ready.
you can do it. I don't know. It's a secret prize.
Woohoo!
Just jump out there. Just jump. Tuck your legs in after you jump. Do it. You're gonna be good.
No, I'm afraid of you because it looks like you're
Come on, Twix, I'm ready. I'm going to take a picture of
Hey,
it.
remember when you swim upside down and all that stuff? Just do this one time, and then you'll know that you can do it. Watch out, bud.
I was trying to back up, but I realized they can't
You
back
can do it.
up.
I'm right here. I'm right here. Nothing bad is gonna happen. All you have to do
Are
is
you
jump.
taking a video of me, Mama?
No, I'm trying to take a picture of Olivia jumping.
No.
Woohoo!
Just do it. Don't be scared. Don't be
Be
scared.
brave, Olivia.
Don't be scared. Here,
Yeah.
give me a high five on your way in. You can do it, baby.
You like high five,
You
right?
can do it.
Do it. Do it.
Do a high five jump.
Jump.
It's like jumping on a trampoline.
I'll hold your hand if you can get to my
Water.
hand after you jump. Come on.
Take a deep breath in and go. One.
Don't be brave. Be brave. You can do this.
Jump, jump, jump.
Be brave. Be brave, babe. Be brave. Come on. Let's jump out to here. Slap my hand, high five, and I'll help you get up out of the water. You got it. You got it. Jump, go. Did you just do it by yourself?
Did it.
Was that so easy that you didn't even realize how easy it was? Come here, do it again. I want to see you do it again.